Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we'll see the next category of Amazon. We are going to review the product. First of all, we select our category electronics. Accessories and supplies are we are making videos on accessories and supplies. Today we'll review uh, uh, Apple Lightning USB cable. This is name of it. Apple Lightning to USB cable 1M. The only image available is this one. Size 0.5 meter, 1 meter and 2 meter. Two options from $29, two options from $14 and two options from $21. Currently we don't know when or if this item will back in stock. Connector type is Lightning. Cable type is USB Lightning. Compatible drive for AirPod, iPad, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, iMac, Mac Pro, iPod Touch, and iPhone. Color is white and brand is Apple. Some description are given here about this item. The USB 2.0 cable connects your iPhone, iPad, iMac, AirPod, or iPod with Lightning connector to your computer. USB port for syncing and charging. You can connect to the Apple USB power adapter for convenient charging from a wall outlet. 1 meter in length. These are the some description and ratings. Let's talk about rating. Overall, it is 4.7 out of 5, and the review given by the 72,000 people. That is good enough. It's mean this is good. So this was today's session. We will meet in next session. Thank you for watching our video. Like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.